Namaste everyone. Today we are going to start Ashtanga Vinyasa Sun Salutation B. Find yourself Samasati. Tuck in your tailbone, relax the lower back. Look front, chin parallel to the floor. Hands beside the body. And take Ujjayi breath. Inhalation and exhalation through the nostril, not through the mouth. Mouth should be closer. Now ekam inhale, bend your knees, come to Tadasana, chair pose. Dve exhale, bend forward. 3 inhale, lift the head up, lengthen the spine. Chatwari, bend your knees, walk or jump chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upper dog. Sat, exhale, roll over the toes, downward facing dog. Sapta, inhale, step the right leg front, draw the left heel, arms over the head. Warrior 1. Asta, exhale, draw the palms, right leg back, chaturanga. Nava, inhale, upper dog. Dasa, exhale, downward facing dog. Ekadasa, inhale, change the leg. Left leg front, draw the right heels, arms over the head. Dwadasa, exhale, draw the palms, left leg back, chaturanga. Triyodasa, inhale, upper dog. Chaturdasa, exhale, roll over the toes, downward dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay here, 5, breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Panchadasa, inhale, walk and jump between the palms, head up. Sodasa, exhale, head down. Saptadasa, bend your knees, come to Tadasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samasati. Release the hands.